I came to see Dr. Liu because I was experiencing intense pain in my legs since I was a little girl. It was hard for me to walk, for me to run. It was just very difficult for me to do normal things that a kid could do.
Emma, when she first came to my office, she was having a lot of complaint of pain to her foot, especially on ambulation. She couldn't walk for very far or stand for prolonged periods of time due to her discomfort. On the examination, she was noted to have a severe flat foot deformity. So we tried orthotics, conservative therapy at first. Also, we sent her to therapy to do Achilles stretches. That wasn't working. She continued to complain of pain. So at that point, we had made a decision to reconstruct her flat foot deformity.
When I first met Dr. Liu, he treated me not just like a patient, but more of like a friend, which I never expected that to happen. I expected him to be like, oh yeah, just another patient, you know, never knowing your name, but he's a really good guy.
For Emma's reconstructive surgery, we used 4-web technology for reconstruction of her flat foot deformity. Evan's procedure is basically a cut through the bone, and what we're doing is lengthening the lateral column of the foot itself, because what happens with a flat foot deformity, they have some abduction or adduction of the foot, and what we're trying to do is correct it by pulling it back medial. And by doing that, we're adding an implant into the lateral column of the calcaneus in order to lengthen it. And also what we're doing for a flat foot reconstruction is we're performing a cut at the posterior calcaneus and pushing the heel back underneath the tibia and giving the foot a more anatomical correction.
My life has changed quite a bit. I'm not in nearly as much pain as I was when I was growing up, but I'm still in the road of recovery. Now I'm just trying to get better, and I'm walking around a lot more than I used to. Now I can walk around, walk from here to there without having to sit down, and now that I've had the surgeries, I realized that it was probably the best thing that's ever happened to me.